Joe's Crab Shack at Broadway at the beach. What's happening, everybody? Here's somewhere that's not only a great place to get some great food, but also super fun with terrific views. If you love the beach just as much as we do, then click that subscribe button to be notified of new weekly videos so you can keep beaching. Uh-oh, it looks like something's already caught her eye. Let's go check it out. Joe's is open daily for lunch and dinner with happy hour specials Monday through Friday. This is a casual restaurant for the whole family where entertainment is king. Crab. See what I did there? Not only is the outside adorned with an ocean theme, but the inside decor, as you can see, is filled wall to wall and ceilings. Joe's serves delicious coastal dishes including shrimp platters, fish entrees, steam pots, and everything in between. Or stay on shore with pasta alfredo, top sirloin, or grilled chicken. And they'll serve it with a side of fun, so grab the crew, throw on a bib, and get cracking. Let's check out the huge back patio on the outside. Here is where the kids can play on the playground while you overlook the lake and watch the speedboat zoom around and do tricks. Or you can sit out here and indulge in an oversized cocktail, such as the Shark Bite, which is garnished with a shark toy, and that's for an adult. And if the kiddos aren't up for sliding and jumping in the play area, they can enjoy a painted crab dessert while you join in on some of the group dancing. As you can see, there's lots of room on this deck for your entire squad this summer. And with a full bar, Joe's Crab Shack has many varieties to choose from. While we were waiting on our food, we enjoyed Joe's Premium Shaker Passion Fruit Margarita. After which, you can take the tie-dye shaker home as a souvenir. For lunch, she got the New England clam chowder with a side of hush puppies. And I got the bacon chicken sandwich with fries. Both were delicious. And they have pickup and delivery if you decide not to hang out at this cool joint. Since its inception, Joe's popularity has stemmed not only from its menu, but also from its retail store, which has various pieces of merchandise at the front of the restaurant. So get a hat or shirt and show your friends where one of the coolest places to eat is located. There's something for everyone at Joe's Crab Shack here at Broadway at the beach as they continue to serve up fun inside and out so you can keep beaching.